online. And the main it is not only online also giving all type of information to the students. Career counseling पासून सगळे गोष्टी ऑनलाइन करपाचे ठरयल्या. नवे नवे कोर्सेस जे आहेत इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर्स जे आहा इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर्सा कळोंक जाय की खंयचो भुरगो कसो पास आउट जाला सो दॅट ही कॅन सिलेक्टिवली सिलेक्ट बॉयज. सो अल्टिमेटली career counseling, orientation to the boys, and also guiding them in the right way forward, and also taking CI and Goa State Industries Association and all these people, if they want good students, everything will be available online. Most importantly is the parents also will get the update of the students right from the attendance to everything to them. Goa Electronics GEL has given us a robust system by which we can take things forward. And most importantly, in today's time of COVID, we need to introduce new subjects. We need to introduce new type of skills that are required. And it's been the dream of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji regarding skilling and also digitization, and we are moving towards that. Also, like I said, career counseling, upskilling of people, all these information will be, if a person has passed out, he wants to check on the web, online what are the services that are available for upskilling. We are also in the process of bringing in international certification centers here in Goa so that our boys can not only be dependent only on the thing they have got, but also on international certification, which will be clubbed with the education that we are giving here in Goa. So we make our students and our youth of Goa globally employable. It is not only employing them within the state of Goa, but we have to look at the COVID situation, and in COVID times, there are different types of jobs that are in demand. So that is the type of skilling we need to look at. We need to understand what is the global scenario, what is happening within the country, what is happening today. Home isolation requires different types of health assistance.
Correct.
We need to see what is the requirement of today. COVID has changed the mindset of thinking. So through this online, what we thought is reach out to the people, admissions, everything, payment is being made online, prospectus is available online, and all these other services which we are commissioning for today.
Even what about classes and all?
That should be our objective. Once we know about the connectivity part of it, then we'll figure it out. At least we should start taking the ITIs where the connectivity is good, with social distancing and all, with classes online. I mean, ITM becomes a smaller chunk of people, though we have got ITIs all over the state of Goa. Ultimately, we need to start thinking. We need to start thinking and start working on those lines.
Any decision about the pass out last exams and all the certificate?
काय जाऊ ना त्या वेगळा विषय
ITI practical
बरोबर लागता पण जे कितें आमी करू शकता आयज फॉर द स्टुडंट्स बिकॉज आता ऍडमिशन बी जावंक लागले हे सगळे गोष्टी करताना एक करून फुडें व्हरपाची गरज आसा. And we are doing it.
आयची मीटिंग
आयची विषय आशिल्लो ते हेल्थाचो जो टेस्ट करता तो कोविड टेस्ट तांचो रिपोर्ट दिना आतां 2 वीक
आयज आमी सगळे चर्चा करून आमी एक गोष्ट जाग्यार घालपाचें ऑलरेडी केला. आमकां एक आठवड्याचो टायम दिया. You will find changes taking place. कितें आसता सडनली स्पाइक जेन्ना केसीस जाता सडनली तुम्ही पळयता की अचानक 300 केसीस दिसाक पॉझिटिव्ह जाता. आमकां सगळे तरेतरेचे वेगळे तरेन विचार करून आरोग्य मंत्री म्हणून मुख्यमंत्रीचे कडेन आतां चर्चा हांवें केली आनी मुख्यमंत्री कडेनचे सहकार्यान तेजे कितें विचार आशिल्ले ते समजून घेवन आमचे डॉक्टर्स आयज आमी पळयता की चडसो लोक कोमोबिडी खातीर एक्सपायर जाता. ते कोमोबिडी कडेन कशें आमी ट्रीट करूं शकता. आयजच्या दिसा तुमकां खबर आमी प्लाझ्मा थेरपी चालू केल्ली. कंपॅशनेट ग्राउंडाचेर कर्माजर प्लाझ्मा आमी दिवपाचें ऑलरेडी चालू केल्या. ते 2 पेशंट जे एकटो बरो इम्प्रुवमेंट दाखयता सॅच्युरेशन लेवल इन ऑक्सिजन. अदर पर्सन इज एज ही इज. ताका आनी एक डोस आमी दितले. तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव हात जोडून विनंती गोंयच्या लोकांक करता की जे कोवीड आमचे वॉरियर आहा जे कोविडांतल्यान भायर सरल्या त्यांनी फुडें येवचे प्लाझ्मा डोनेट करपाक. आमचे नवे मशीन फाल्यांच्यान फूल फ्लेज कमिशन आसतलें आनी त्या मशिनान खंयचेंच नुकसान जायना. ते फक्त प्लाझ्मा काडटा बाकीचे गोष्टी भितर धाडटा परत. आनी म्हणूनच हे सगळे गोष्टी जेन्ना आमी करतना आयज प्लाझ्मा इज द लायफ सेवर फॉर दीस पीपल. आनी एक सांगता की तरेतरेचे मेडिसिन्स जे आमी म्हणटा ते सगळे आमचे कडेन आसा. आमी वी वील हे जे हॉस्पिटलांत जे कितें फेसिलिटीज जे जाय सगळे गोष्टी जे जाय एक वेगळे तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी तुमकां हांव जेन्ना म्हणटा फुडें आसतलो म्हणजे यू नो दॅट आय हॅव डिस्कस्ड in detail with the Honorable Chief Minister what is the best we can do for every citizen of Goa.
So one more
for that.
So one more thing.
आणि 1,500 वाढवल्यार काय हरकत.
Is the health department facing difficulty in giving the reports on time because kitlet pending asa?
Spike and everything goes suddenly spirals. it takes little time. Now the backlog is only about 1,600. I think another 2 days, and plus we need to, I just mentioned to Honorable CM is that let us put another 2-3 machines in other places, and so that will help in reducing the load. And also we must remember that we are doing everything it takes.
Correct.
Wherever there are shortfalls, we will face it head on and see that we address those issues.
पोस्ट अप्रूव्ह केले ते घेवपाक स्टार्ट झाले.
चालू आहे
Temporary.
कोणाचे इंटरव्ह्यू चालूच आहे. जे कोण येता who are eligible, we are recruiting based on merit and we are just sending them there.
There have been reports that पॉझिटिव्ह सांपडलेले 2 दिसांनी क्वारंटाईन आणले.
ना तशें म्हाका दिसना ते कोणी कितें सांगलें. काही गोष्टी खऱ्या हा की when you say that certain infrastructure and other things have to be further improved, I do agree with you, but everything what somebody says I don't believe.
So आमच्या थिंगचा एकला हेलेलो
Age limit is there for
I have we have a
plasma
proof.
therapy.
Age limit means basically you have to be of a certain age. ते दिल्या न्ही आमी माझे व्हिडिओ आशिल्लो न्ही.
सर कोविड वॉरियर जे फॅमिली आहा तांकां स्पेशल कितें आहा क्वॉरंटायनाची
ना काय ना तशें.
नवे SOP कितें तरी जाला गायडलायन्स नवे कितें येयला
आमदार कसो
आमदार बरो
तांकां दिवची पडली प्लाझ्मा थेरपी.
ना इज हॅपी बट फक्त 2 लोकांक दिल्या आणि ते वाडयतले. तुका खबर आहा
कितले डोनेशन जाला? कितले डोनेशन जाला?
एक 20 लोकांनी डोनेट केल्या आणि लोक पुढे येतात.
How is-
एकदा फेरसिस मशीन चालू झाली ड्रग कंट्रोलर कडल्यान आयज सांजे पर्यंत लेटर येवंक जाय आणि फूल आमी जे कितें मॅनेजमेंट आमी जे करूंक जाय वेगळे तरेन करूंक जाय. both of us discuss with each other because we have to see that we give the best to every citizen of Goa. We will do it.
How is Dr. Edwin?
We should be fine. I have not heard any contrary report.
स्टाफाचेर लोड येता पळय.
हय that's what.
आमचेर बी लोड येता, स्टाफाचेर बी लोड येता, आमकां सगळ्यांक काम करचें पडटलें. इट्स अ पॅन्डेमीक. सगळ्यांचेर लोड येता.
तांकां कसो हेल्प करपाक जाय?
काय ना आमकां रोटेशन बेसिसचेर करचें पडटलें. इट इज ऑल ऑन रोटेशन नाव एंड ऑल्सो माय थियरी इज लिटल डिफरंट. Is more stress now should be given to the COVID situation in the state of Goa, and while other basic things continue, and we will see how best we can do it. Chief Minister will be supporting it, getting whatever doctors, whatever we need, we are getting. So we will take it forward in a very positive manner. Criticism also, according through your medium, I would like to share is that we accept it very positively because ultimately it gives an opportunity to correct. There are certain things that we need to do and we need to correct, and we are correcting.
Spike is a concern for you all.
Huh?
Spike is a concern for you all. Huge spike every day.
सेकंड कोविड हॉस्पिटल इन पाइपलाइन आहा. सेकंड कोविड
ना तशें काय ना.
एकूच
So,
आसता.
new guideline for the
कोविड केअर सेंटर.
पोस्ट नेटल आणि सगळ्या त्या गोष्टी आम्ही मांडूरच्या फॅसिलिटीचेर आम्ही थंय घालतले.
But they have opposed it.
ना पोस्ट मीन्स इट्स अ गव्हर्मेंट डिसिजन. इट्स नॉट अबाउट इट्स अ गव्हर्मेंट. फाल्यां माझ्या मतदारसंघात कोविड सेंटर नाका म्हणून सांगल्यार कशें जातलें तें. हांव आमदार त्या सायडीचो आहा. आमच्या 70चे लोकांक जर कोविड केअर सेंटरान घालूंक जाय इट इज बेटर देअर इन माय ओन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी देन समवेअर एल्स.
So what happened to your 40 constituency all COVID care center करता
It
म्हणटाले
comes
पळय.
under disaster management. It doesn't come under me.
Okay.
So new guidelines being framed for the international
Boss,
tourists.
1 minute, I'll come.
So international tourist new guideline SOP केला तुम्ही.
ना म्हाका काय खबर. I am just now I am totally in some other zone. I will.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
थँक्स सर.